Okay, so we're going to be talking about a quick fix for the cigarette lighter that's in my car. I have bought a wireless charging pad that is connected to the cigarette lighter. And as you can see, it's not working, no light. Turns out that to be a blown fuse. As you can see here, the metal pieces are separated. They should be connected, as shown in the replacement fuse. Here we are. So obviously they should be connected. That makes the connection. And the bad one is above it. As you can see, they're not connected. Good one, bad one, good one. The fuse diagram shows the F46 is the fuse for the front cigarette lighter port. Here's a dedicated picture. Number 46 is right underneath the R1 fuse, and as you can see here, the cutout of the actual fuse box is right underneath that big dark blue one. It's underneath the glove compartment. It's pretty easy to open. Once it's replaced, as you can see here, it's fixed with lights. I was able to wireless charge.